today I'll be doing an on-foot review of the Nike Zoom Pegasus 35 Turbo. Let's check it out. Let me know what you think of this one. At first look, what do you think? Comment down below. So let's move on and let's try them on. So right off the box, the colorway of this one is a red, orbit black, and off-white. So color is really bright. So this looks cool, looks bright. I like the color with those accent of green and yellow green coming from the front and all the way to the back of the heel. So you got also some kind of pointed thing going on the back with a nice Zoom X printed on the sole, and there's also printing on the other side, which is the entered to the exact specification of the world class runners Nike running. So this is going to be an on-foot review for just an amateur runner and not for elite runners. So bear with me if I only point out some detail that it's going to be useful for those beginners or amateur runners, and sorry for those elite runners, and hope you could find a better video on the YouTube. But for this one, it's just only for the beginners and the amateurs runners. Okay, so also you can see this printing of the shoes, not like bright black shoes right there. Also some printing on the tongue, the Nike Pegasus 35 Turbo Zoom X. Part of the lacing system, not bad also, and some kind of thin layer going on from the toe box all the way on the back. It's just some kind of thin layer, as you can see right there. Very thin, but looks like breathable. But let's see if it's really good for running and how they are really perform for a beginner and for a amateur runner. So let's go. Oh, by the way, let's check out also the midsole, and also let's check out also this one. Lot of traction, and the color of the black and white with the orange that going from the toe box all the way down here, as you can see right there. The orange thing going on, and then it looks like all the way go back on this side. So that's funny thing though. Is doing a review with this running shoes, the Nike Turbo, and I just done with the running. So I did somewhere 3.2 miles, and average pace is 11:06, and I did it for 35 minutes and 35 seconds. So surprisingly, what would I say? Okay, you click the video why I said you don't buy this, because I would say this is mainly for elite runners, I would say. And I was kind of surprised when I was running on this one. I didn't realize I was running fast, like I was going 10 or something my pace on the first miles, and then when I look into my watch and like, ooh, I'm doing so fast, and I don't want to do that. I only do average somewhere 11-ish to 12-ish, and the main reason is I'm just want to do the miles only for now. I'm not going through how I want it to be fast. I just wanted to be maintain the average pace with I'm comfortable for now, and I don't want to go over what I not used to. So surprisingly, I was like doing that fast, so I had to slow down. That is why I'm saying don't use it or don't buy it for now if you are starting running or you're just amateur running. Especially you don't want to go fast, and I would say this is mainly for elite runners. And one more thing to point out are they are run small. So I wear a 10.5, but this one is 9.5, and I'm not sure why, but it was kind of narrow on the toe box. But when I tried it on, it feels there's still a gap, about a thumb, something like that. When I push it, my thumb still on space there. So I'm not sure why they are run small, but that's another reason for you to think about buying this shoe. But it is comfortable though. I want no complaint with the way I run. Even though I run fast, I run slow. Okay, no complaint on those. Just the thing that I had to slow down because I was running that fast. Another one is because there is still a gap on my toe box. I was like sliding sliding forward. My foot's like going all the way to the front, so I have to tighten up a little bit more. I used to not to tie it my other shoes, but this one I have to tie it a little bit more. But other than that, they run small. They run big. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, they run big because I am 10.5 and they are. And I would like to correct myself with that one. I said they run small. Should I say they run big, because I was 10.5 and this one I'm wearing right now is 9.5. So just in case you wanted to go check them out on the outlet or in the store, because I bought them on the Nike outlet store or factory store, because I knew that I'm just gonna resell them, because I knew what I am 10.5, so that's why I'm picking 9.5, that I thought it was gonna be good for resale. But then I was like so wanting them, because I would like to try them on and I tried to run on them. So when I tried to put on my foot, and then
there was space, I said. So, oh, probably I'm gonna use it. So that's why I'm doing the on-foot review right now. But the main thing also why you click this video is, excuse me, you click this video is, if you are starting for a run this year and this is your New Year's resolution to go for a run, and also if you are an amateur looking for a new shoes, this I would say is not for you or for us, because I would still consider myself as an amateur runner because I don't go fast as the other runners. Like they'll run like 7, pace is 7 to 8 like that. But me, no, we're still in these amateur pace. So another thing is when I was like running that fast, I didn't realize. Good morning. I was running that fast, like 10 point something averaging, and then like I didn't realize I was running that fast, and I don't want to hurt myself because I am averaging what I wanted to, because I wanted to maintain that pace, which I'm comfortable with that pace, and also with my foot comfortable at that pace. And if you are a new in running or beginning in running or amateur, you don't want to hurt yourself because you are doing fast without knowing it. Okay, so I was saying it's getting cold outside, so I have to get in. But so I was saying, main reason if you're using it like if I was running so fast, I might gonna hurt myself, and so in the long run, I might regret wearing them because doing fast that you're not being comfortable, something like that. Same thing to you. If you are just beginner or an amateur, you don't wanna go more or all the way because you're just beginning. And I would rather go for some different type of running shoes that is more comfortable or much better for you for just a beginner. I would rather go for a Nike Epic React, I would say, because they are much lot of cushioning, and I feel that when I'm wearing them, it's just like I'm just walking, so I'm not doing too much. That's what I'm pointing out. That's why you don't have to get this running shoes for now if you are just a beginner or an amateur. I would say try the Nike Epic React, and also the first one or the second one, Nike Epic React Flyknit 2, because they are in good selling in the Nike outlet for now. Better price, which is somewhere 99 also some of the colorway, and also the first generation is like they are 67.79 with additional discount. And also if you're trying to use the Adidas, you may go with those Adidas Ultra Boost 19, and they're also doing good sale on those. So I would say those are better if you are amateur, beginner, if you are doing running in this new year as your New Year's resolution. So being said, pointing out, not for now, if you are just a beginner or an amateur, and you can have them if you're elite runners. So and that will be all for this on-foot review of the Nike Zoom Pegasus 35 Turbo. And that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Please leave a comment down below. Please thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. As always, Nolasco here. I'll see you later in the next video. Peace.